tell us what's going to happen.
The pencil is going to go in here and it's going to twist the string around here, which pulls this out, releases the ball. Ball hits that, which falls and turns on the motor. Then the wheel spins and opens the jar.
Mm-hmm.
The golf ball falls out and triggers those two levers.
Mm-hmm.
And then that lever pulls on a string, which pulls, like the same string as this, pulls it out, releases the ball.
Yeah.
Ball goes down through the tube, hits
Wow.
the dominoes, which hits the bell.
That's quite the thing. Okay, so hang on. The class has been working very hard on implementing the typewriter into the Rube Goldberg. We have had a lot of design iterations, and right now what you're looking at replaces previous versions of making the key, striking a key repetitively,
You don't want it to get so close to here. You need it sort of right
using the drill and causing the carriage to go over. They have decided that they're going to use it to start to impact the pencil, therefore getting the pencil sharpener moving, causing this pulley effect to happen and dragging down an assembly up at the top, causing the ball to fall down here, turn on the switch, turn the wheel, open the screw cap, let the ball down, the golf ball down, hit the container at the base, activating two levers, and pulling down this.
There's going to be a marble here.
There'll be a marble, which will go down, down, down through the tube and hit those various and sundry wood pieces to ring the bell. Yay! Ready, rock and roll.
Ready, do it.
Nice, nice. Very good, very good. Oh, okay. All right, go.
Go. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
That's a drill right there. All right.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. I think. No, keep going, it'll work. Oh, no, I see what's going on.
Oh, that needs to be fixed.
Okay.
Drill, this is the drill. It's got a, what do you call that? A wrench. Allen wrench in it, and then that's going to hit the lever that will
Did it come out?
make the typewriter
Here, let me
trigger go up and down. Okay.
Shout out to D-Line. I don't know where
Okay, ready?
he is, but he's probably watching at home.
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Wait, hold on.
This one? Okay, cool.
Is it moving it?
I think maybe, yeah. Oh, it's not. Oh, wait. What happened? It's not hitting anymore.
Let's see, ready?
All right, try again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's stuck.
It's coming.
It's stuck at the top.
Go, go again.
There, did it. Whoa, yay. Oh.
My downfall.
Oh,
It's so cool.
the dominoes came
We just gotta
down.
figure out. We just have to make
Okay.
it better.